Everyone, get out of the way, please. Get out of the way. We need to move everyone out of the way. The ambulance needs to get down there. There we go. Great job. Thank you so much.
Is he okay? Oh no, dude. Thank you.
So I bought this car from Brett LaSala in January of 22, so I've had it just about 2 years. In November of 22 at Mod Nationals, the second event that I ran the car in, unfortunately we did have a catastrophic crank failure. Ended up catching fire, burned the whole entire outside of the car, so we decided to go ahead and do a bunch of upgrades. I'm going to show you what we did.
Well guys, we got none other than Zach Meyers here with the original Snot Rocket. Zach, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, man.
Good. Now man, what a story about what actually happened with this car when it caught on fire and the process to get it back to where it is today. Man, the blood, sweat, and tears, I'm sure and money, was probably pretty substantial, but yeah. Amazing to see this car out and running again. But let's get into it. Talk to me about the motor. What are we working with? Is this a Coyote? What is it?
Yeah, so it's a fast forward race engine.
Yeah.
They have proven themselves to be one heck of a build. We started off with a Predator 5.2 block.
Right.
We ended up putting 5-liter sleeves in it, so we have a thicker sleeve, aluminum rods, Manley pistons, Plasma Man intake, Precision 76-75 turbos, and it's just been a really solid build.
Awesome. So out of curiosity, what type of power is this car making?
This car can turned up make right around 2,000.
Okay. And now, would you find yourself to be a quarter-mile guy? Do you like eighth-mile racing? Do you like whatever you can get?
So most of the racing I do ends up being quarter-mile racing.
Okay.
Most of the fun is in the first eighth.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, yeah, it's just it's a quarter-mile race car.
Right. So humor me. What's your best times with a car like this in the quarter-mile?
So my personal best is a 7.1.
Okay.
Brett LaSala actually ran a 6.9 with it before I bought it from him. And I guess we're looking to better that here pretty soon.
Awesome. So we're going to hopefully follow your story all week long here, and we'll get to see you run at every single track we go to. But in the meantime, let's check out the rest of the car.
Sounds great.
Zach, I got to be honest, this car is absolutely gorgeous. Take me through the interior in here. I love these Racetech seats.
I appreciate it. Yeah, Racetech makes one hell of a race seat. That gives you a containment system here so we can street drive and not have to worry about banging our head into the bars. When we had the fire, we ended up burning the whole wiring system in the car, so it made sense to go ahead and do a good upgrade. We put a Motec PDM 30 into it, so all the electrics in the car no longer uses fuses or relays. The PDM is up here. It allows you to utilize the C1212 dash here. You can see all your gauges up here on the front, and allows you to go ahead and scroll through your calibrations so you can kind of dial things in. Turn signals, headlights, all that kind of good stuff is now controlled by the PDM. Has an M&M transmission, Turbo 400, and shifter. Brett LaSala had a really big part in deciding how we wanted to go ahead and redo this car. We ended up going with Rice sensors, Promotion Raceworks for everything. So that's all plumbed up underneath the dash there, and it's all set up through the PDM. I think that's about it.
Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. I see you got a parachute handle up there too, obviously when you're going as fast as you are.
Yeah, for sure. It's got a double parachute with a CO2 activation for that we can do off the steering wheel.
Awesome. And what about the cage? Or what's the cage certitude?
It's a 25.3 cage, so it's certed to a 650 at this current weight, and a 6.0 if I were to take a bunch of weight out of it.
Awesome. Okay, show me the rest of the car.
All right.
All right, Zach, so sick week here. What class are you signed up for?
So we're running modified.
Okay, cool. Now talk to me. Brakes, tires, what's going on with this car?
Yeah, so it uses a Mickey Thompson tire, front and rear. We have a double bead lock that we usually run on it. It's on the drag and drive trailer right now. And Motion Raceworks supplied the TBM brakes front and rear for us, and they've just done a phenomenal job. Double parachute system, also from Stroud. Got that from Motion Raceworks as well.
Awesome. So have you done dragon drives before, or is this your first one?
This is the first one.
First one. So do you have any worries about the upcoming week that you're about to face?
Finishing.
Finishing. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Well, hey, good luck this weekend. We're excited to cover your story, and hopefully you can absolutely kick ass all week long.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Looking good. 737! Woohoo! Zach Meyers, my man, how are we doing today?
Good, man.
You just got back from your first run here at Sick Week.
Yeah.
737. I was talking to Tash. I asked her, what does Zach want to do today? And she said, hopefully a 740.
Yeah.
737. You're obviously one and done. But talk to me about the run.
Yeah. So we kind of took some power out of it just so that we know we could go A to B, and it left really well, and it was just a nice, clean, straight pull.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, you enjoy hitting the road. Have a nice evening.
Appreciate it.
Relax. Have a nice dinner, and let's do it all again tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Thanks, sir.
For Zach Meyers at 186 miles an hour. They're going to one and done today and move on. Up next here we got Zach Meyers. This is an OG Snot Rocket car. So he's actually one and done 2 days in a row now. First day he ran a 736. Yesterday he ran a 743. I'm assuming he wants to continue this one and done and hopefully get another low 7 today. Looking good. 745, 187 mile an hour. One and done.
One and done, baby. Valdosta down. Hey guys, this is Tasha Meyers, and I am here at Gainesville Raceway, and day 3 of Sick Week, and Zach has got another one and done. Went down the track and ran a 745. So the guys are doing the work, getting ready to hit the road to Valdosta for day 4.
All right, guys, check this out. Snot Rocket 1.0 and Snot Rocket 2.0. So we got Zach Meyers in the right lane, Brett LaSala in the left lane. So this car that we're looking at right now was Brett LaSala's, and then he built the bigger, badder 2.0. So there is some time differences between these cars. Snot Rocket 1.0 has been running like low 7s, while Brett LaSala's been running like mid 6s to low 6s. So let's see how it goes down, though. It's going to be pretty cool to watch this happen. Solid at 635 and Zach with a 736, 189 mile an hour. Guys, it looks like we got Zach Meyers fans in the house. Here we go, guys. Run number 1, day 5, Sick Week. Zach Meyers, OG Snot Rocket, pulling up to the line right now. Let's see what kind of pass he puts down.
was Sick Week and we were back in Orlando. Zach just made his one and done pass and we're wrapping it up for the day. At the staging lanes, I heard my name screamed. Our friends from Missouri surprised us today and showed up on an airplane to come support Zach. Couldn't be having any more fun. It's been a great week. All right, guys, well, thanks again for checking us out and following along with the new rebuild of Snot Rocket 1.5. It's been a great week. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at M4_motorsports. We'd love to have you follow us there.